big round head, so we're gonna start with a big old round head, just like this. Here we go. All the way around like that. I like that. Let's give him an ear right about here. Perfect. Finish his head down like that. We'll give him another ear over here on this side. I like that. That's nice. How about a little squiggly hair bit right about there? I like that. Now we can draw his nose up here, just like that, just above the ears line, right about there. Couple dots right here for his eyes. I like that. Let's not forget his eyebrows. 1 and 2. How about a big old smile for Charlie Brown today? I like that. Here we go. Perfect. Now we can draw his neck. Right here. Let's not forget his collar. Charlie Brown's got a nice collar right about here like that. And then we could draw a little V right about there. And then another collar bit right there, just like that. Perfect. Now let's bring his tummy on down like that. And that's where his shirt is gonna end, right about there. Perfect. And now his shoulders here. His short sleeve cut off right about there. And now Charlie Brown's got his fingers that come down like this. Give him a bit of a palm there. And bring it on back up. That's looking nice. Let's do the same over here on this side, but his arm will be behind him, so we can just do that, right like that. Looking nice, everybody. Now Charlie Brown's got a bit of a squiggly line on his shirt like this, doesn't he? Just like this, and like that. Looking nice, everybody. We'll color that in later. Let's finish his shirt off down like that. Alrighty then, and Charlie Brown's got shorts. Right like that, and like that. Looking nice, everybody. Let's draw his first leg here, just like this, and his second leg will be here like that. Now his shoes come off like this, and his other shoe right about here, coming in like that. Just round ovals like that. Very nice. Bring the shoe down like that, and like that. Let's not forget his socks. Right about there. And we'll give him some shoelaces. Little squirrely bits like that. That looks nice. Alright everybody, it's Charlie Brown. Let's get to the color. Charlie Brown has light skin color. Yellow shirt and socks. Brown shoes. Black shirt logo and black shorts. Thanks everyone.